Hey, this is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and in this video, I'm making a delicious recipe called Southern Fried Crab Beignets, right after this. Yeah, so right here I'm just showing you all the ingredients before I get started with the recipe. All the ingredients will also be listed down in the description below. So, a little bit of background on this recipe. It's just basically a Louisiana style way of making fried crab balls. Alright, so now I'm going into a bowl with 2 eggs, and I'm going to mix those until they get nice and frothy. Just want to get a lot of air into those eggs and mix them really well. Alright. So here I'm going in with my mayonnaise, and I'm going to give that a really good mix as well. And also hit that subscribe button for me. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel and help support the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, and definitely hit that thumbs up. Alright, and share this on social media. It's going to really help my channel. I appreciate it. So now I'm going in with that W sauce, that Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to give that a quick mix. Going in with a little bit of salt. Going in with some fresh cracked black pepper. Going in with that Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. And some Old Bay seasoning. You gotta have the Old Bay seasoning in there. And right here I'm going in with some Louisiana hot sauce. So just giving that a good mix, squeezing in a little bit of lemon juice, a half a lemon. And going in with my green onions and also my red onions. And right there I just went in with a little bit of Dijon mustard. I prefer if you use Creole mustard. I couldn't find the Creole mustard, so I used Dijon. So I just gave everything a good mix, and now I'm going in with 2 cans of jumbo lump crab meat. Now I'm giving everything a good mix. Also, I had a little bit too much liquid in there, so behind the scenes I took about a half a cup of the liquid out, just to make sure I didn't have to add a lot of breadcrumbs. So right here I'm just gently breaking up some of the lumps, and I'm going to leave some of the lumps as well. So here I am going in some panko breadcrumbs. So pretty much you just want to get it to the consistency of as if you're making a crab cake, which is pretty much what these are. If you never made a crab cake before, you want to kind of get it to the consistency of like tuna fish. Alright, so right here I'm just throwing some plastic on top, and I'm going to throw that in the fridge so it can kind of tighten up, make sure that the breadcrumbs bind with all the liquid. So right here I'm starting my Remoulade sauce. And the Remoulade sauce is also a sauce that was made popular in Louisiana cooking. It goes really well with seafood. So far I went in with my mayo, I went in with some horseradish sauce, I went in with some Dijon mustard, and some Worcestershire sauce. So right here I'm going in with some more Creole seasoning, some cracked black pepper, a little bit of kosher salt, and a splash of white vinegar. Also some minced garlic and some dry parsley flakes. Alright, so I'm going to give that a quick mix, and then I'm just going to wrap it and throw it in the refrigerator while I make the crab balls. Flavor is going to intensify a little bit. It got that horseradish in there, got that W sauce in there, so it's going to be really good once after about 30 minutes. So here I'm getting started on making the Southern Fried Crab Beignet balls. Alright, so I'm doing them about 2-ounce balls. Alright, and I'm using a 2-ounce scoop just to keep them consistent in size. Alright, so I got all the crab balls made. So I'm going to pop those back into the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes, so let's get to frying these Southern Crab Beignets. Alright, I heated up my oil to 350 degrees. All right, and I'm gonna drop the Southern Crab Beignets in there, and I'm gonna fry them till they're golden brown. All right, got the first batch coming out. And you can still see the lumps inside those crab balls. That's what you're looking for. So you don't want to break up all your crab meat. You want to leave some lumps in there. I mean, that's just for looks. You know, when you break them open, you know, you do want to see the lumps, but it's not going to affect the flavor. But texture-wise, that's what you want. All right, taking out the final batch. Alright, so here you go, everybody. Delicious Southern Fried Crab Beignets. Alright, or you can call them fried crab balls, Southern Fried Crab Balls. Doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, they're delicious. They're going to be great if you have company coming over, great for holiday parties. And trust me when I tell you, man, these things was amazing. So yeah, give this recipe a try if you really want some, if you want a different take on doing crab cakes or seafood. Alright. And I did it with the Remoulade sauce right here. I'm just getting that thumbnail picture ready for you. All right, so I'm opening one up. Boom, there you go. As you can see the lumps. You can see all the crab. It's not a lot of filler, you know. And here I am tasting them. Super delicious. So thanks again for checking out the Cooking and Grilling with Carl video, Southern Fried Crab Beignets. Also, subscribe to the channel. Check me out on social media, Cooking and Grilling with Carl. I say God bless. Catch you on the next video. Peace.